made of. Nah, I'm messing with you. I can't do it. When I'm gonna come here like what are people? They be like, I have made over $100,000 and I'm broke mentally. No, nigga, it don't work like that, all right? My name is Rashod for the people that do not know, all right? I feel like making videos that are gonna help people so that they understand, because I went from being a broke bum to now having money, okay? And it feels good at the age of 28, all right? So, peep this, right? I made over 100,000. I should be able to, it'll be somewhere. I'm gonna have to go ahead and snipe and show you it so I can show you the monthly that I made and all that. It doesn't mean that's all I made, but you know, by the way, hey, you like these chains? Yeah, they're educational chains, and there's some, there's some other educational stuff that I need to write off of my taxes. But yeah, okay, let me get serious, And when I say I made over 100,000, I'm still broke, I want you to know something, right? When you're a teenager, your goal, you're like, ooh, if I can make $100 a day, I'm straight. As you become, you hear that? Can y'all hear this nature? As you start getting older, you start getting mid-20s, you like, shoot, if I can make $1,000 every 2 weeks, I'm straight. Then you get a little bit older, you like, man, if I can make $3,000, $4,000 per month, I'll really be straight. That's pretty good. And that's how some of y'all's little inside voice sounds like. As you really fully get up there to that level, you get 10,000, right? You're gonna notice, I really don't want to blow this 10,000. Like, it's not that much money, right? Then you get to 20,000. I don't really want to blow, unless you did the PPP loan. Y'all niggas are going to prison. Like, as you get 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, when you start actually getting up there, you start realizing like, yo, this money is like not that much. $100,000. Listen, it's gonna sound crazy. $100,000 to me feels like $10,000. Like when you hear people like, yo, I need 100,000, it's really not that much money in the grand scheme of things, right? Because if you want to go fully pay off a house, you can, unless you're getting a cheap. You can in this market. Let me correct that. Right now, everything is overpriced. You should never buy a house right now. You're an idiot if you buy a house right in this market. You're an idiot, or you're really just rich and you're willing to wait and play it in the long run, which is you're gonna pay more in the long run. You can get anything you want, but you can't get everything you want, if that makes sense. That sounds kind of weird, so let me phrase it a little bit better, all right? So I can go get whatever foods I want. I want to go to a restaurant, boom, I can eat it. I can go get clothing I want, boom, I'm gonna get it. Unless I'm trying to buy a whole bunch of designer stuff. I have no ambitions of getting that right now, all right? But if you want to get a car, that's gonna take up a lot of that 100,000. You ain't gonna want to spend that. You gonna drop 60,000? You gonna be left with 40,000? Realistically, you like, I don't want to do that. That's gonna hurt. You want to spend a full 100,000, and you gotta make it all the way back? You're not gonna want to do that neither. Heads up, just to let you know, you're not going to. All right? It's not a whole bunch. It's not a whole bunch once you've actually received it. And I swear, when I made 100,000, I promise you, I thought it was gonna I was gonna be there. I was gonna kick my slides off, and I was gonna hit him with, hey, you know what I'm saying? In the air, like everything was just gonna be amazing. You know what happened? This right here. I just said, with my hands on my hips, I was like, am I supposed to feel something? Is like something amazing supposed to happen? Nothing happened. I didn't feel this feeling of satisfaction that I thought I was gonna feel. I thought I was gonna feel like I just busted nuts everywhere. I was just like, all over myself. It didn't feel like any of that. I just kind of felt like I might have missed the point. Like I was like, you know, asked my mom, and I asked some people like, what feeling did you get? And they're like, you don't really feel much, because you know that at the end of the day, you could lose it all. So you're not like set on that goal of, hey, I hit that 100,000. You're like, damn, I don't want to lose that $100,000. So it's such a crazy feeling, because you get misled. You see Instagram and all that, they hype it up. You can make $100,000, and then they steal your bank account. Now you owe $100,000, and now you're bankrupt, and your kids is there. They're like, mommy, can you feed me? And you're like, no, I have to make an OnlyFans. And then you make an OnlyFans, and then next thing you know, you're selling feed pics on OnlyFans. Now you got to do some POV, but Facebook is not the good marketplace for OnlyFans. So now nobody bought your OnlyFans, and now people are sitting there stealing and leaking your OnlyFans, and it was only 2 people that bought it. You made $19.95 for the month. Now you just a hoe, and you ain't got no mother. You ain't make no money. Your life sucks. You just suck. Nah, but for real, on a serious note, all right? For the people that, you know, are like, I wish I had $100,000. I was in the same boat as you literally last year. I was in the same boat as you, the same exact boat, right? And I was just like, oh, well, I hope I can get it. Never pass up on an opportunity. I tell you, I cannot stress enough. Never pass up on an opportunity. If you see that opportunity there, and you're like, oh, this is gonna take me out of my comfort zone. Except as long as it's not a scam. If it's like one of them damn academies where it's like, you need mentors. They'll teach you the financial. They'll give you the proper motivation. You need to be in the right mindset and all that. When you start hearing that mindset mumbo jumbo, get that crap on out of here. Like, whatever. What mindset can you be in? If you want to make money, you're going to set yourself to make money. You got to tell yourself that. It's yourself, self-confidence. Don't go in like I did, expecting an amazing feeling that you're going to like reach this level of basically Super Saiyan, because it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. It's not going to feel like that. You're going to end up more miserable, and you'll probably end up feeling slightly depressed because you realize your homies and all that aren't making that neither. So now you're just kind of like right here, top dog, and everybody else is right there, and you don't want to feel like that because then you feel like an asshole. So you try to come down to that level, but then they know that you're at this level, and hating happens, man. So I don't know. If you want some more topics, you want to talk about stuff like this, let me know in the comment section below. All right, we can talk about real life stuff, that actually help you. With that being said, my name is Rashod. I'm out.